Everybody, if you're watching this, then you're learning how to make an Apache throwing star primitively, no tools required. It's locked together. It's like that. And the binding material for that. So I'm gonna go look for a nice root or something versus make cordage for that. I'll find a good root somewhere. No. Managed to get a pretty decent root off that hedge tree there. It's gonna be my lashing. Now I'm just gonna start breaking that down, right down through there. One side starts to get a little thin, just pull more on the other. Now I got two pieces here. Now I can bind that together using these. Now what I have is an effective small game tool. Birds, squirrels, rabbits. These are, like I said, these are, small game use, but always practice it before you just take off hunting. Well, I always practice throwing that. We'll see how accurate this is. It's 50 feet right here, so we'll see. There it is up there a few times. Nothing pretty. I can go in and trim all this up, make it pretty, but right now we're just going to throw the objects. Just grab one side of that and throw it. Just like that. Sideways, however you want to do it. So, those was at 50. Now we move back up to 30 feet. This thing's pretty accurate at 30 feet, I believe. I mean, I don't know if I'd have too much trouble. But I'm going to step away to the side of the camera here because that thing, it's hard trying to throw over it. Moral of the story is, you guys can see, you don't need a lot. You can just find you a rock, find some sticks, find you a root. You have a lethal hunting tool. Gives you 4 points. Catch them in here, catch them at the ends. However it hits, it'll hit. That is a good one. So, if you like our videos, like, share, comment, subscribe. Check us out on Facebook, Mickey Wilson Bushcraft and Survival. Till the next one, that's it for this one.